Good morning, inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. I'm down by Selby Canal. It's Christmas time. Let's have a Christmas paddle, eh? I think I might be joined by a special guest today as well. Let's get set up. Yep, it's definitely Christmas. And there we have Mr. Raffle Ticket, look, with his Christmas hat on. Let's do it, eh? I've got a new camera rig. Are you ready? You might like this. What do you think of that? Floating rig. Cool, right? I've just realised how bonkers that's going to look with the Christmas tree on the back. Anyway, I hope you're all well this fine Christmas day. Raph and I are out having a little paddle, and I'm willing to bet you've never seen a Christmas tree on the back of an inflatable kayak. Give this video a like if this is a first for you. How are you doing, Raph? Merry Christmas indeed. I will just apologise actually. I know there's been a significant lack of uploads of late. And the reason being is I've been in a bit of a funk, if I'm honest. I'm feeling alright, and just that, you know, sometimes you're just not feeling it, and I just wasn't feeling it. So I've made quite a few beanie hats. I'll put some pictures on the screen actually now so you can see what I've been up to. You might have seen some time ago the video that I made making a beanie hat out of paracord, and I got to thinking, oh I know, I'll buy a few daft hats to wear when I go camping. And then I thought, well Cal, you daft bugger, just make some. So that's what I've been doing, making a few daft hats, and I've quite enjoyed myself, to be honest. I'm so macho. So macho. Anyway, it is an absolutely beautiful morning here on Selby Canal. It's very calm, very still. We've had a bit more rain again, lovely. But at least all the weeds died back now. And I think after Christmas, it'll be time to get out and do a few more kayak camps, especially on Pocklington Canal, because I do like that one. Heron flying up ahead, canal boat coming as well. It's just beautiful out here today. Morning. Merry Christmas. There's some daft buggers about, isn't there? It's usually me.
No, it's always you, don't you?
He said it's always me. How rude. You might be right there. Been a weird day so far. We've had several people wish us Merry Christmas. A little old lady there has just wanted to take our photograph. I don't know why. Not a clue. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Ducks flying off.
Long time log.
Somebody's dropped a log in the canal, dirty buggers. Morning. Merry Christmas.
And Dave and Steve on their big on the beach.
Tell you what, Raph, that warms you up. Farting in your wetsuit. Bloody lovely out here. Bloody lovely, I tell you. Why do you let me know in the comments what you're doing for Christmas? And if you're getting a chance to get out and have a paddle or do something a bit crazy at all. I don't mean, you know, Christmas tree on the back of a kayak crazy, but whatever. Whatever floats your boat. What we're going to do is we're going to turn around here, head back, and then sort of like have a paddle into the town area of Selby to see if Kayaking Santa can wish a few people a Merry Christmas. Should be fun, right? Well, yeah, regulars to my kayaking videos might be familiar with this bridge, Burton Hall Bridge. It's one I've stopped at quite a lot and cooked food on the bank. I think last time I was here with oldest friend. There was a little cross on the bank there, somewhere over there, and it seems to have disappeared. Such a lovely area, this. Look at that, such a nice area to get out on, just there. The only snag with that side is it's sheltered from the sun in the early morning sun. Anyway, turnaround time. We're doing it.
Yep.
Oh dear, I've lost my tree. Oh no, it's sunk, I've lost my tree. I can see the star. That sounds
Yeah, I can see the star.
so festive. Right, okay, I'm going in. Oh, this is a bad idea. I wonder if I can get it with the paddle.
I'll film it.
Oh no! I've knocked tree off, it's underwater. Oh no, this wasn't supposed to happen. That was really silly. Right, let's see if I can dig this out. I can see it, I can see it. All might not be lost. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do. I'm gonna have to wet arm it, I think.
Where is it? Can you see it?
Yeah, but I think I've just pushed it a bit further under.
We're getting it.
I think so. Lift. Yeah. Oh.
Got it.
Right. Let's just. Oh gosh. I'm gonna have to. I've got it. We've got it. This wasn't the plan. We've got it. Right. Need to get back to the bank and stick this back in. Oh, I've just smacked myself in the face with a branch. Oh gosh. Right, the tree is back in situ. And I was just saying to Raph, at least now there's ample drying opportunity with the wind rustling through the tinsel. If anything, I think it looks a little bit more glistening. Just look at the reflections in this area. Oh, now Raph's gone, screwed it up. Morning, Merry Christmas. It's absolutely stunningly calm. Let's just get past this bit here where Raph's been making waves. Look at the reflection of the bridge in the water. It's like glass around here. And I have to say, for me, reflections are one of the things I really love about kayaking on a really calm day. Merry Christmas! Not something you see very often, is it?
No. Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas, all the best. Gonna say, do you want a good one?
Can't see much sun.
Bright, isn't it? Car's still there, always a bonus. Right, so we're going to paddle upriver for a bit, up canal I should say really, up towards Selby town centre, and see if we can wish a few people a Merry Christmas, since I've still got everything attached. I will just give a special shout out to Brad, who's had a bit of a rough ride recently. His house was burgled in the last couple of weeks, which is no fun. So if you comment on this, wish him all the best. I'll do alright. You caught out? Could be worse, could have caught crabs. Morning. Merry Christmas and all that jazz. There's a what? Alright, okay, thank you. Is it a big one? That's what she said. I keep forgetting I'm not with Dave. Merry Christmas. Morning. Caught much? Couple of little ones. Well, good luck. I'll try and scare them towards you. I think the tree will help. Morning. I say this every time, but this is one of the nicest wide beams I think I've ever seen. Some beautiful ones down here. Got a narrow boat coming up behind. Morning. Merry Christmas. Absolutely. Yes, one action here, look. Morning, Merry Christmas. Still got a young one there with a bit of baby plumage, look. Swan Central here. Morning, Merry Christmas. So this for us is the end of the line, because we're not going under that bridge today. You might have seen the video at some point where I went underneath it. Oh, well, as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, you might have seen the video where I went underneath there and nearly tipped the boat when I was in the story. Yeah, I don't think I'll make it through. Not with that tree on, eh? If I had to hazard a guess, I'd say there was a bridge here at some point. Well, we're just paddling back now. Got the sun in my face. Really bright. Anyway, I'll just take this opportunity to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you all have a lovely time. Feel free to drop me a comment and let me know what you've been up to over the Christmas period and what your plans are, that kind of stuff. And yeah, I'll see you all in the new year. Actually, I've got a camping video to upload that I did a couple of weeks ago in Sub-Zero. New hot tent, new stove. So I think that'll be coming probably between Christmas and New Year, and then I'll get back onto some kind of regular schedule. I'm going to record some of the other footage if there's something else interesting to see on the way down. But if I don't, you know what to do in terms of liking and subscribing if you enjoy what I'm doing. But if you don't like it, don't bother. No point, is it? Alright, you take care of yourself. I'll see you all soon. Cheerio. Merry Christmas! Swan flying overhead, look. There he goes. Merry Christmas! This heron must be getting really fed up of us too. Are you ready? He'll take off in a minute. There he goes. Yeah, he's probably thinking, I wish these guys would just fuck off. Be off again in a minute. There he goes. Merry Christmas. Graceful as ever. That's a proper old man. Old man dismount. Mind you, mine won't be much different, to be honest. Oh. Obligatory old man groan. Well, I gotta say, that was a lot of fun. More fun than I expected, I think.